Welcome back to Throttle Vortex, the 2027 Ferrari FFX-Viper, where technology meets power. Like and subscribe for more powerful reviews. Commanding an estimated global price tag exceeding $3.5 million, this ultra-exclusive hypercar redefines automotive engineering through an aggressive, futuristic exterior design dominated by exposed carbon fiber weaves, active aerodynamic front splitters, dual-stage dive planes, massive racing canards, and a high-downforce rear wing designed to manipulate airflow with surgical precision. Every sculpted intake, wide-body fender, and razor-sharp crease serves a distinct functional purpose, directing cooling air toward high-stress mechanical components while maintaining phenomenal high-speed stability across demanding track environments. Step inside the bespoke cockpit to discover a tailored sanctuary of luxury, where weight-saving minimalism harmoniously meets exquisite Italian leather, matte carbon fiber accents, and customizable Alcantara trim. Driver comfort is prioritized by ultra-lightweight carbon composite bucket seats that hug the torso during high G-cornering while maintaining surprising ergonomic support for longer road trips. The driver-focused dashboard layout features a sculpted digital instrument cluster seamlessly integrated behind a race-inspired carbon steering wheel with integrated Manettino controls, rotary dials, and tactile LED shift lights that flash in real time as you approach the red line. Complementing the cockpit is a state-of-the-art telemetry-driven infotainment system offering real-time track diagnostics, high-fidelity audio, dynamic navigation, and effortless smartphone connectivity without ever distracting the pilot from the road ahead. Under the vented rear engine cover lies a roaring, high-revving naturally aspirated V12 engine paired with the cutting-edge hybrid electric powertrain, together churning out an astonishing 1100 horsepower through a rapid 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. The sensation of speed and acceleration is instantaneous and terrifyingly electric, blasting the FFX-Viper from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.2 seconds toward a blistering top speed of over 225 miles per hour. Despite its extreme track-focused performance, DNA, and advanced active magnetic ride suspension ensures sophisticated driving comfort, smoothing out harsh road surface imperfections when navigating urban environments or cruising along coastlines. Modern safety features are subtly embedded throughout the chassis, including high-performance carbon ceramic Brembo brakes, advanced multi-stage traction control, launch control, dynamic electronic stability systems, lane-keeping feedback, and forward collision driver assistance tailored for high-speed tracking and daily commuting alike. Designed with modern hybrid efficiency in mind, its integrated electric energy recovery system offers regenerative brake, reduced tailpipe emissions, and short-range silent electric cruising capabilities ideal for low-emission city zones or early morning garage exits. Whether tearing down wide-open European autobahns, maneuvering tight, cosmopolitan city streets, or embarking on grand international long-distance travel routes, the 2027 Ferrari FFX-Viper delivers an unparalleled, visceral driving experience that firmly cements its legacy as an absolute masterpiece of road and track engineering. Beyond its raw performance figures, the vehicle embodies a breathtaking synthesis of raw mechanical emotion and modern digital intelligence, offering selectable drive modes that transform its personality from a civil urban cruiser into a track-devouring hypercar at the flip of a switch. The lightweight acoustic exhaust system produces a spine-tingling symphony that echoes through mountain passes, while the active aerodynamic control surfaces continuously adapt to cornering angles, vehicle speed, and braking force to deliver relentless downforce and absolute confidence behind the wheel. The interior environment remains remarkably quiet during highway cruising thanks to advanced sound insulation materials, allowing passengers to enjoy long-distance journeys without the fatigue usually associated with ultra-high-performance vehicles. Storage space is cleverly optimized within a compact front luggage compartment, proving that extreme track performance does not require sacrificing practical usability for weekend getaways. Every single detail of this mechanical marvel reflects an obsessive dedication to craftsmanship. performance, and aesthetic excellence, ensuring that it remains a timeless collector's piece for generations to come. Ultimately, this machine is not merely a mode of transportation. It stands as a bold statement of automotive passion, boundary-pushing design, and technical mastery that redefines what is possible when human imagination, racing heritage, and cutting-edge hybrid innovation unite seamlessly on the open road.